Hunter Biden pleads not guilty to federal gun charges out of Special Counsel David Weiss probe Wilmington. Hunter Biden pleaded not guilty to federal gun charges in U.S. District Court for the District of Delaware Tuesday morning after being charged out of Special Counsel David Weiss' years-long investigation. The president's son appeared in person in court for his arraignment Tuesday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Biden was charged by Weiss last month with making a false statement in the purchase of a firearm, making a false statement related to information required to be kept by a federal firearms licensed dealer, and one count of possession of a firearm by a person who is an unlawful user of or addicted to a controlled substance. The federal gun charges are the first charges Weiss has brought against Hunter since being granted special counsel status by Attorney General Merrick Garland in August. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than Hunter Biden to plead not guilty to federal gun charges according to the indictment, on or about October 12, 2018. In the District of Delaware, the defendant, Robert Hunter Biden, in connection with the acquisition of a firearm, that is, a Colt Cobra .38 SPL revolver with serial number RA 551363, knowingly made a false and fictitious written statement, intended and likely to deceive that dealer with respect to a fact material to the lawfulness of the sale of the firearm, in that the defendant, Robert Hunter Biden, provided a written statement on Form 4473 certifying he was not an unlawful user of, and addicted to, any stimulant, narcotic drug, and any other controlled substance, when in fact, as he knew, that statement was false and fictitious. The indictment also states that, on or about October 12, 2018, through on or about October 23, 2018, in the District of Delaware, the defendant Robert Hunter Biden, knowing that he was an unlawful user of and addicted to any stimulant, narcotic drug, and any other controlled substance, did knowingly possess a firearm, that is, a Colt Cobra .38 SPL revolver with serial number RA 551363, said firearm having been shipped and transported in interstate commerce. Fox News first reported in 2021 that police had responded to an incident in 2018, when a gun owned by Hunter was thrown into a trash can outside a market in Delaware. Hunter Biden indicted on federal gun charges. A source with knowledge of the October 23, 2018, police report told Fox News that it indicated that Hallie Biden, who is the widow of President Biden's late son, Beau, and who was in a relationship with Hunter at the time, threw a gun owned by Hunter in a dumpster behind a market near a school. A firearm transaction report reviewed by Fox News indicated that Hunter purchased a gun earlier that month. On the firearm transaction report, Hunter answered in the negative when asked if he was an unlawful user of, or addicted to, marijuana or any depressant, stimulant, narcotic drug, or any other controlled substance. Hunter was discharged from the Navy in 2014 after testing positive for cocaine. Hunter's court appearance comes after an original plea agreement collapsed in July. Hunter Biden was expected to plead guilty in July to 2 misdemeanor tax counts of willful failure to pay federal income tax as part of a plea deal to avoid jail time on a felony gun charge. Hunter Biden was forced to plead not guilty to 2 misdemeanor tax charges and 1 felony gun charge when the deal collapsed in court. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than. Click to get the Fox News app. His attorneys, who initially requested for the court appearance to take place via video conference, signaled that he would plead not guilty to the charges earlier last month. U.S. Magistrate Judge from the District of Delaware Christopher Burke rejected Hunter's request, saying he should not receive special treatment. In the end, the court agrees with both the defendant and the government that defendant should not receive special treatment in this matter. Absent some unusual circumstance, he should be treated just as would any other defendant in our court, Burke stated in a filing last month.